How to open a CR download file on Windows 11. Hey guys, and welcome back. So if you are receiving a CR download file on your Windows 11, your steps would be clear. First of all, you have to go ahead and open your Chrome browser. After that, you have to access your downloads. In order to access the downloads, click on the three dots on the top right corner and go to the download section. If you are downloading a file and it is shown as paused, go ahead and resume it. If it is not working, cancel the download and try again. If all the files that you are trying to download are paused, it could indicate a problem with the Chrome browser. In that case, you can connect to the internet again and update your browser as well. So if the downloading is completed and going on, you will not be able to see the CR download file. However, if you see a CR download file in the location we have chosen to save it, it means the download is still in progress or has been interrupted. Make sure to resume the download, and once it's completed, you'll be able to open the file. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.